Hello friends, how you guys doing? I hope you guys enjoyed your profit. This was a very fantastic trade we enjoyed a few days ago. Okay, so now the question is that what is going on now? What is Bitcoin doing now, and what are we taking from here? All right, so in case you are still trapped in the trade, now I want to show you something that at least you need to be aware of. Okay, so Bitcoin will be playing out this week. Now remember something about every market moves in a wave, okay, and nothing moves in a straight line. So we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of. Okay, so this is a very sharp sell-off. All right, so now this sharp sell-off now needs to prove what actually the market is doing, whether it's giving us a 3-wave down or it's going to still pull back after this sharp sell-off here. So okay, so now because if we take a look from a bigger time frame, like let's take a look from daily, so we can drive it down. Now if we take a look from daily, what we are seeing from Bitcoin here, sharp impulse, all right, a sell-off, so we can drive from here that the market is just a kind of still trapped in this either ascending wedge or stuff like this or diagonal, but the pattern is not proven yet because it's still forming. So but there's something that we need to be aware of. If you take a look on RSI, there is something that Bitcoin is struggling with now currently, and see, you can see it here. There is a strong resistance on this RSI currently. You can see that the chart is being, they have tested it, it's tested this here, and currently it's here. So this would actually determine the next move. If it's rejected here and pulled back, then that means there will be a very big sell-off. All right, there will be a very big sell-off. Now this is a kind of a wedge on RSI. So this wedge also indicates that if it breaks on the positive side, that will be a very massive bull run. But if it breaks on the negative side, that will be a very fast, massive sell-off. All right, so I wouldn't want to trap you. So if you take a look on 4 hours time frame, now this move is not over yet until it is proven otherwise. Right, this move is not over. So what we've seen so far, we've seen this sell-off. So we're expecting this to at least break previous high here. Okay, so that is what we're expecting, for it to break previous high before we can see a sell-off. So but let's be observant to watch this move critically to see if actually this market will be rejected here. But this fast sell-off needs to show us a 3-wave here for us to know what actually the market is about to do. Okay, because nothing just go down like that without confirmation. But we need a confirmation, just like what happened here. Okay, look at this sell-off here. This sell-off occurs, and there was a confirmation, a pullback, another sell-off, a pullback. So with this, we now have in mind, okay, what Bitcoin is about to do. All right, so anytime there is a sell-off, there's always a confirmation. If you take a look on Ethereum also is still bullish. Remember what I told you guys, that we're expecting Ethereum to get to this point, okay, and you can see so far it's going already halfway to this point, guys. Okay, so we're expecting Ethereum to get to that point before we can conclude this pattern. All right, before this pattern can be concluded, so we're expecting Ethereum to get to this point. Just bear that in mind, that all this might go sideways, but expect something here. Then once that is reached, then you guys can expect the next sell-off. All right, you can expect the next sell-off. So that is on Ethereum. Then on Cardano, guys, you see Cardano, as we also made it clear to you guys, that the same thing is being expected on Cardano. All right, the same thing is being expected on Cardano. Cardano, we're still expecting a more bull run. Okay, it might not really be that aggressive, but just this is a kind of a flat, running flat, 1, 2. So what we are seeing, we'll be seeing here is this. Okay, expect something like this here is on Cardano to play out. So that will be after reaching this point. then before we can now make a case whether we are dropping from there or we are still going up from there. Okay, so that is just on Cardano. So because if you take a look on a bigger time frame, you see this is a drop, A1, A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so and this is another A, this is B, this is C. So inside of this we make a bigger structure. So when we go to one daily chart, then we can see what we are driving, that this will be a 1, this will be a 2, and this will be a 3. That's one way you can think of it. But also, we can also make a case in daily that this might be 1, this might be 2, this might be 3, okay? Because this one actually broke this. So, but in other words, this is a valid market trade. So, until this breaks this, then before we can start seeing the next drop. But for now, still hold your Cardano very tight because we are still expecting more run on Cardano, guys. Alright guys, so that is just what we have for you guys today. Now if you take a look on BTC dominance, now you can see that it's dropping. So why it's dropping? We expect altcoin to at least gain momentum. Why BTC dominance is dropping. So but this drop, how low can it go? Right? So we might have a tag of it somewhere here, and there we go. Okay, so we might have a tag somewhere here, and there we go. So because structurally we might not break this, guys. We might not break this. Okay, because this looks three wave. So you might see another three wave here. Maybe it's forming a triangle. Okay, a triangle, something like this. Then after that it breaks up. Alright, so but let's trade responsibly. As markets, the BTC market cap is coming down, definitely some of the altcoin will recover and be going sideways, or some will have momentum to go bullish. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel and don't forget to like this video. See you on the next video, guys. Thank you.